Hello everybody, this is Bee from Mama Bee's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today guys, I'm gonna show you how to roast potatoes. This recipe guys, if you follow it the way I do, it will be perfect every time. So I'm gonna be using 4 large Idaho potatoes. So first things first, we're gonna peel the potatoes. Cut our potatoes into 1 to 2 inches chunks, like so guys. Then we're gonna cut them in half again, then like so. Make sure the size is uniform guys, because we want them to cook evenly. Next, we're gonna wash the potatoes till the water comes out clean to remove excess starch. Then we're gonna transfer our potatoes into a saucepan. Add water to cover the potatoes, and on gas, and let it cook for 6 minutes. Drain the water. Shake to remove excess water. Into my pan, I have about 7 tablespoons of butter. I'm gonna pop this into the oven and remove it after 4 minutes. Toss all the potatoes into the melted butter. Season with black pepper, salt, garlic powder. Coat all sides of potatoes with butter, just like so guys. Add dry rosemary, then coat again with butter. You can also use fresh rosemary. Then into the oven at 400 Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. At 20 minutes, we're gonna pull them out and flip them and cook them for the last 20 minutes. Okay, the potatoes are done. They baked for 40 minutes. Sprinkle a little bit of kosher salt. Try this recipe guys, and let me know how it turned out in the comment section below. Also guys, sometimes I want to hear your ideas, or you want me to prepare any kind of dish. Please leave a comment in the section below. Share this video with your friends and your family. Please guys, follow us on Facebook, Instagram. Until next time guys, bye. Honey for my